Have you ever wondered why a simple peanut can be life-threatening for one person, while another can eat a whole jar without a problem? Or why the beautiful bloom of spring flowers sends some people into a sneezing frenzy, while others barely notice? What about cats? Why can they be a cuddly friend for one person and a walking, purring allergy trigger for another? It all comes down to a fascinating and sometimes frustrating process happening inside our bodies called an allergy. So, what exactly is an allergy? In simple terms, it's your immune system getting its wires crossed. Your immune system is your body's personal security team, constantly on patrol for genuine threats like bacteria and viruses. But in the case of an allergy, it misidentifies a completely harmless substance, like pollen, a food particle, or pet dander, as a dangerous invader. It sounds the alarm and launches a full-scale but totally unnecessary defensive attack. It's like calling in a SWAT team to deal with a butterfly that flew in through an open window. The response is real, but the threat isn't. Now for the big question: why do some people have these overzealous immune systems while others aren't? A huge piece of the puzzle is genetics. If allergies run in your family, you've basically inherited a higher chance of developing them yourself. It's like having a family trait, just a less fun one than a great sense of humor. But genes aren't the whole story. Your environment plays a massive role too. Some scientists point to the hygiene hypothesis, which suggests that our super clean, modern lifestyles mean our immune systems don't get enough practice fighting off real germs in childhood. So when they finally encounter something new, they overreact. Things like air pollution can also irritate our bodies and make us more susceptible. And get this, you're not necessarily born with all your allergies. They can pop up at any point in your life, even in adulthood, which is why you might suddenly become allergic to something you've been around for years. And no, you can't catch an allergy from someone else. They're completely non-contagious. Let's talk about what's physically happening during that allergic reaction. When your body encounters its trigger, it releases a flood of chemicals, the most famous of which is histamine. Think of histamine as the commander of the immune response. It's what causes all those classic allergy symptoms. It makes your blood vessels expand and become leaky to let immune cells rush to the scene, which leads to swelling and inflammation. It irritates your nerve endings, causing that maddening itch. It triggers your nose to produce more mucus, leading to a runny nose and sneezing, all in an attempt to flush out the invader. In severe cases, this reaction can spiral out of control, causing your airways to tighten, making it hard to breathe. This is a serious condition called anaphylaxis. It's your body's defense system going into complete overdrive. So, if you have allergies, it doesn't mean your body is weak or broken. In a way, it's the opposite. Your immune system is actually hypervigilant, working extra hard to protect you. It's just a little confused about who the real enemies are. It's a loyal bodyguard that's just a bit too jumpy. Understanding this can help reframe how we think about allergies, not as a weakness, but as a biological mix-up. If you suspect you have an allergy, it's always best to talk to a doctor to get a proper diagnosis and a plan to manage it safely. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into how our amazing bodies work.